How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium, and this is a 512 gigabyte model. We're going to do a full unboxing of it. We're going to see what's inside, so let's go ahead and do that. So we've got these tabs just right here on both sides of the bottom, so we're just going to pull that tab and then pull the other tab on the bottom right there. Perfect. And then we're going to get our wow experience when we open up the box. Wow. Okay, just imagine we're hitting wow. All right, there we go. Enough cringe. Let's go ahead and grab the phone itself. There is your iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium. We'll put it down for just a second. We'll just have a quick look at what's in the box. So we have our standard Apple ejection tool. If you're outside of North America, if you're in North America, you won't see the SIM ejection tool because they only use the eSIM. And then we do have the single Apple sticker as well as your instructions and pamphlets, which I'm sure you all care about. Not. All right, let's have a look. We got the USB-C to USB-C. Yes, finally we have it. And it is a braided USB-C cable. So we'll go ahead and we'll just open this up quickly so we can see it here. But wow, look at the quality in this USB-C cable. Very, very nice. I'm super impressed with it. Way stronger than the previous ones. So very, very, very nice. So happy to see that. We'll put that stuff aside. We'll grab our phone itself. iPhone 15 Pro Max blue titanium. So the first thing I do notice, feels lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which it is because of the titanium. And then the edging. I love how it's got this curved edging. It feels so much nicer to hold. It definitely just feels a lot better to hold in the hand. Let's go ahead and grab this little tab right here and pull that off. Ooh, that is satisfying to pull that right off right there. And again, we have the curved edging along the glass as well, which is very, very nice. And you can see I'm fingerprinting it up already, but that's okay. We're gonna be putting a case on there. There is your camera and stuff all at the top right there. We have your side on and off button. There is USB-C with our microphone and speakers on the bottom right there. And then we go around to this side right here and we can see our action button right here now. So no longer the mute switch right there, the mute on and off switch, but we do have an action button, which you can set to whatever you want to. We have our volume up and down, SIM card if you're outside of North America like I am, and wow. Very, very nice. I'm just impressed with the feel of this in the hand because of the curving and the new lightweight titanium. It's very, very nice, so definitely worth the upgrade. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and hitting the like button.